Hi guys, so a few days ago I bought this Fujifilm Instax Mini instant camera. So this was retailing around I guess 4,000 rupees or so. So that was a good deal, so I got this. And with this I also bought this Instax Mini film. This is a 20-piece film which costs around 1,000 bucks. So let me open this box and show you all the stuff. So this is what we get inside the box. This is some do's and don'ts. Then after that we get a band, and here I think it's the lens cover or something. And here comes the camera. So as you can see, this is a white color one. You get a variety of color options like pink, yellow, blue, green and many others. So this is how the camera looks, and here the mini film will be going in. The printout will be coming right from here. So besides the camera we get this manual. This is also another manual. Here is a good sticker, Instax sticker. This is something useless, and this is the warranty card. And we also get this battery to insert it. So coming back to the camera, this white color looks quite good. So let me use this for a while, and after that I'll give you my complete overview on this camera. So this is the housing where the film will be going. If you open this right like this, you have to install all the films over here. After that I think you just have to take the picture and the printout will come from this side.